happens when Primary 6 pupils from Northern Ireland and Wales come together to explore 2 World Heritage Sites. Over several weeks, children from Northern Ireland and their partner school in Wales embarked on a journey of discovery, creativity and connection. Together they explored landscapes, legends, language and culture, uncovering the stories that link the Giant's Causeway and the Slate landscape of northwest Wales. The project began by introducing pupils to 2 remarkable World Heritage Sites. On the north coast of Northern Ireland lies the Giant's Causeway, famous for its unique landscape and rich folklore. Across the Irish Sea in Wales, the Slate landscape of northwest Wales tells the story of communities, industry, and a landscape shaped over generations. Although separated by distance, both places are recognised internationally for their outstanding heritage and cultural importance. This project was about much more than learning about landscapes. It was about building connections. Throughout the programme, pupils in Northern Ireland and Wales exchanged ideas, became pen pals, and communicated virtually, sharing their experiences and learning from one another. As friendships developed, so too did their understanding of the similarities between their communities, cultures, and heritage. Together they explored the giant legends that have been passed down through generations in both countries. From Finn McCool and the Giant's Causeway to the giants of Welsh folklore, stories became a bridge connecting young people across the Irish Sea. Inspired by everything they had learned, the pupils worked together to create their own giant-themed song, drawing on the landscapes, myths, friendships and experiences that they had shared throughout the project. The song became a celebration of their journey and the connections that they had built.
Finn McCool was a giant. How's that sound? Does that sound happy? How one man could make such a thing. So let us all be like the giants, and together let us all sing. Chorus, here we go. You ready?
Finn McCool was a giant. The mountains still echo his name. His name.
Finn McCool was a giant. The mountains still echo his name. His name.
Looking beyond the legends, pupils explored the science behind the stories. Through hands-on experiments and activities, they discovered how rocks are formed, how landscapes evolve, and why habitats and wildlife are such an important part of our natural heritage. By sharing knowledge and learning about both World Heritage Sites, they gained a deeper understanding of the landscapes that make these places so special. World Heritage Sites are not only important because of their past, they are important because of their future. The pupils explored how people can help protect these special places and why conservation is essential for future generations. Through creativity, discussion and problem solving, they considered their own role in caring for the environment and preserving heritage for years to come.
How to make the centre more environmentally friendly. We could put some solar panels on the roofs and some recycling bins and trees and grass everywhere.
Every landscape has a story to tell. Through place names, language and local traditions, pupils discovered how culture and geography are closely connected. They explored how language helps preserve the identity, history and stories of the communities that call these places home. Through shared learning, creative activities, virtual exchanges and new friendships, pupils from Northern Ireland and Wales discovered that heritage is about far more than landscapes and landmarks. It's about stories, it's about people, it's about connection. By working together, sharing experiences and celebrating their unique cultures, these young people have helped strengthen the links between the 2 World Heritage Sites. From Wales to the Causeway Coast, the footsteps of giants continue.
We are standing on the shoulders of giants, even the young and the small. We are standing on the shoulders of giants, So don't be afraid to stand tall. We are standing on the shoulders of giants, even the young and the small. We are standing on the shoulders of giants. So don't be afraid to stand tall. So don't be afraid to stand tall. So don't be afraid to stand